Hello, my name is Gregory Bulte. I'm from Carleton University and I study turtles here at the Queen's University Biological Station. So one of the things we do is capture turtles like this female map turtle here that I just captured. And we do give them little identification codes. So this one actually has a little notches on its carapace, like this little notch here. And they have a few of them, and so we know the identity of all those turtles we've marked, and that allows us to monitor the size of the population over time and also look at the growth of these turtles over time. And that's how we get information on whether the population is declining, is it doing well, and so on. And so this female here that I've just captured will be measured and all the data will be entered in the database. I also captured, along with this adult female right here, a young female. And this one is not marked. So this is a unmarked turtle. So this turtle, we're gonna give it a little code like the bigger one. And this is a great capture for us because this turtle is so young that we can still see little mark on its plastron. And these little marks are like the ring on a tree, so we can actually age that turtle. So I can count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this turtle is currently in its 4th year. And so we have a good estimate of its age. So now once we mark it and we recapture it maybe 10 years down the road, we will know we marked that turtle at 4, so we'll know that it's now 14. Unfortunately, this turtle here was marked when it was big, so we have no idea of its age. It could be 20, but it could also be 35. But by marking a young one, we know their age and their growth. So that's really useful information to try to protect these turtles. And today, when I was snorkeling, I came across something that we rarely come across when we snorkel, is that I actually found a dead map turtle. So this is a carapace of a female map turtle. It seems to have been dead for a while. I'm not exactly sure when, probably at least a year because there's nothing left. But it is a marked turtle. So now I know that this turtle died, and I can go back in my database and see if that turtle, when it was marked, how long it lived, and then we have an estimate of their survivorship. So this is the kind of information we gather over time. And by doing that over many, many years, we can have a good picture of the population and also keep a finger on the pulse of that population, whether it's doing well or whether it's declining. So in a sense, that's what we're doing here at the biology station.